Guys, what's up? Welcome to AnySoftware Productions. So today I'm going to teach you how to have like this clock in your desktop, cool and stylish. So let we start. Go to the link in description that I have given in and download this file as usual and like this. I will save it in desktop. Then AnySoftware have been produced a page on AnySoftware Productions Facebook, and don't get to like this and don't get to subscribe to the AnySoftware's on YouTube. Then now open this file and unzip it, and then you will got this usual this. Now install it. I install it, but you have to install. After installing it, it comes like this. And then if you want another clocks like Tokyo and Thailand, go to the time zone and set up like this, date and time only like this, and it has skins like this, this, but I like this, and click OK. So thanks for watching my video.